A stone yet no stone. Welcome to Alchemy of Steven School. So, in my alchemy experiments, I developed the secret water stone of the wise. Took me some time to figure that one out. Really, I just had to put the effort in. In other words, it took me some time to get around to that work. Also, I got around to the work of the Hermes stone, a translucent red stone. A stone yet no stone. It's like a crystal. It's like a stone. It's a stone yet no stone. It begins white in color or clear. It goes through the color changes. It answers to everything the alchemical manuscripts said. It's red in color. I do have larger ones. This is just an example. This is my Hermes stone. It took me years to figure that one out. Deep contemplation, study and thought, meditation, reading the writings over and over again and thinking deeply. For more than a decade before I figured out the Hermes stone. The secret water stone of the wise is very interesting. It holds the key to what the alchemists talked about: life extension, eternal youth, etc. However, I performed an interesting experiment. I remember reading an alchemical manuscript long ago. I don't remember which one it was. Probably part of the Rams digital library. But it said, it may not have been. It said never to mix the red and white mercuries, as alchemical manuscripts call secret ingredients used in alchemy, not elemental mercury. Never to mix the red and the white. Interesting. So, I wanted to find out what happens if I mix these two, the secret water stone of the wise and my Hermes stone. I placed them together in Balneum Marie water bath in a round glass sealed flask with a glass stopper. I placed it in a sand bath, but I didn't give it any external heat. I just left it in the water. As time went by, though, something developed. I probably should have used a white plate so we could see it better. And this is interesting because I had to break this up to get it out of the glass by shaking it around in the round glass flask. Every time it hit the glass, it made a metallic sounding chink chink noise, as if a coin is hitting glass. It is like a crystal, and it breaks like a crystal, yet it seems to have early primitive beginnings of a metallic nature. like a metal forming. One of the interesting things about it is the color. It's saffron colored. If you've studied alchemy, they talk about the philosopher's stone and the different colors it goes through, and one of the major colors that is associated with it is saffron color, whether it's the transmutation powder or the philosopher's stone. This color saffron comes up. If you really dig and research, there are reports that the philosopher's stone and or the transmutation powder was said to be of a saffron color. As we have here, this has a glass-like appearance. Saffron colored. Let me hold up a couple chunks here, you can see. The crystalline, glass-like, saffron-colored appearance. You hear that sound? Look how shiny that is. This camera is not what it used to be. It's been dropped so many times. Now this plate is not glass, but so it doesn't make the same sound as when this stuff hits glass. But it does make a sound. Nature repeated the rain cycle in the glass. Look at the holes. It looks like Swiss cheese, doesn't it? Elements mingling and mixing. So, there we have these chunks, these stones that I made. Being a combination of my red Hermes stone and my white secret waterstone of the wise, mingled and coagulated in water. This is Alchemy of Steven School. Do not try this at home. I've come far in my alchemical works over the years. I have learned much. I don't publish as much as I used to because I have learned the secrets that I sought for. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.